See, crops can also be divided into two types. They are food crops and cash crops. Let us learn about the food crop. Food crops are grown to feed people in the country. They form the staple diet of the people. Rice, wheat, pulses, millets, and maize are the main food crops of India. Rice. Rice is a kharif crop. It is grown in the summer season. It is the most important food crop of India. It requires hot and humid climate and plenty of water. Rice grown by transplantation method is the most scientific. It is grown almost all over India. But the leading rice producing states are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. India has the largest area under rice cultivation in the world. Over 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. It is the second largest producer of rice after China. Rice is a cash crop in Punjab as it is grown mainly for sale. See children, that food crops, let us learn about the food crops. Food crops are grown to feed people in the country. It is a staple diet of the people. Food rice, wheat, pulses, millets, and maize are the main food crops of India. Let us learn about the rice. Rice is a kharif crop. It is grown in summer season. Okay, it is the most important food crop of India. To grow rice, it requires a hot and humid climate also, and it needs plenty of water. Rice grown by transplantation method. Okay, you know, you some of you may have seen by transplantation method that rice can be grown. That it is grown almost all over India, but leading states are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala are the most important rice producing states, rice growing states. Okay, India has the largest area under cultivation for cultivation in the world. India has the largest area under rice cultivation in the world. Over 4,000 varieties of rice are grown in India. India is the second largest producer of rice after China. China got first place, and after that second place India got second place in the production of rice. In Punjab, no, rice is the cash crop, and it is grown mainly for sale. Okay, next let us learn about the one more food crop, that is wheat. India is one of the main wheat producing and consuming countries of the world. Wheat is a rabi crop. It is the second most important food crop of India. It grows well in a cool and wet climate. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Gujarat are the major wheat producing states. See, India is one of the main wheat producing and also main wheat producing also, and it consume more wheat. Okay, wheat is the rabi crop. Rabi crop means the crop which can grow in the winter season. Rabi crops and kharif crop, you know, isn't it? Rabi crops means the crops which are grown in the winter season. Okay, that it is the second main food crop of India. Okay, it grows well in cool and wet climate. The main wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat are the major wheat producing states. Next, let us learn about the millets, that one of the food crop. Okay, millet include coarse grains, that is maize, bajra, jawar, and ragi. They can be grown in areas with less rainfall. They are grown in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. See that millets. Millets include coarse grains such as maize, bajra, jowar, and ragi. They can be grown in the these millets can be grown in the areas of less rainfall. They are grown in the states of Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar. Next, let us learn about the pulses. Pulses are the edible seeds of various leguminous plants. Important pulses are gram, moong, arhar, urad, and masoor. They are grown almost all over India. Pulses are the edible seeds of various leguminous plants. That pulses means the pulses are the edible seeds that of various leguminous means the plants which are having pods inside that seeds will be there, no, pods with seeds, okay, that is called as leguminous. Pulses are the edible seeds of various leguminous plants. The important pulses are gram, moong, arhar, urad, and masoor. They are grown almost all over India. This is all about the food crops.